that a snake? Is that a goat? Hi, I am Muhammadullah from Kudos English. In this video, we'll learn how to ask questions to get the confirmation. So let's begin. Here is a conversation between Rahul and his father. Rahul visits zoo and there he sees an animal, but he is not sure whether the animal is a lion or a tiger. So let's see the conversation. Rahul says, Papa, is that a lion? Papa, क्या वो शेर है? Father replies, No, Rahul, look again. A lion does not have stripes on it. नहीं राहुल, फिर से देखो, एक शेर के ऊपर ये धारियां नहीं होती. Rahul says, I know what it is. It is a tiger. तो राहुल कहता है, मुझे पता है ये क्या है, ये एक टाइगर है. Father says, That's right, Rahul. It is a tiger. तो उसके फादर बोलते हैं, सही कहा राहुल, ये एक टाइगर है. Here we have conversation 2. In conversation 2, Rahul is confused between giraffe and camel. Let's see how his father helps him now. Rahul says, Papa, is that? Now I want you to fill up these words here. Try this. Rahul says, Papa, is that a giraffe? Father replies, No, Rahul, look again. A giraffe does not have a hump. Hump means कुबड़. ये जो कैमल की पीठ के ऊपर होता है, इसको हम बोलते हैं hump, कुबड़. Father replies, No, Rahul, look again. A giraffe does not have a hump. Then Rahul says, I know what it is. It is a camel. Father says, That's right, Rahul. It is a camel. Sounds good, doesn't it? So let's see now. Rahul says, Papa, is that a giraffe? And father replies, No, Rahul, look again. A giraffe does not have a hump. Rahul says, I know what it is. It is a camel. Father says, That's right, Rahul. It is a camel. Alright, so that's it for today. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.